Now let's start question number 14 of exercise 6.3. Sides AB, AC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. So we have to show triangle ABC and PQR are similar. So I have written a few points. It is given that triangles in triangle ABC and PQR, AB and PQ, AC and PR, AD and PM, they are proportional. These sides are proportional given. We have to prove triangle ABC and PQR are similar. But only two parts are given. If you observe, it is given AB upon PQ, AB, PQ and AC. This is AC, this is PR. No third part is given to you to prove the triangles to be similar. But we have to prove triangles are similar. What we are going to do is, we are going to do it by indirect method. Means directly we are not getting the answer. So we are going to prove it by doing construction. What construction I have done? I have extended AD to DE, but these two are equal. Means D is a midpoint for AD and DE. Same way PM and MN are equal. M is a midpoint. And I have joined all the points. So now let's start how to prove it. We will take in triangle ABC, D is midpoint of BC, right? And D is also midpoint of AE. D is a midpoint of AE also, D is a midpoint of BC also. It was given and this is by construction. If in a triangle, diagonals, not in a triangle, in a quadrilateral, four-sided figure, in quadrilateral ABC, diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, ABC is a parallelogram. So we are going to prove for one part, right? And then we will take for the other triangle also. If ABEC is a parallelogram, then opposite sides will be equal. AB will be equal to EC and BE will be equal to AC. These are opposite sides of parallelogram, right? BE and AC are equal, AD and EC are equal. So if I take in these ratios, if I take these opposite sides equal, what is given to you already? Given was AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR equal to AD upon PM. This was given to you. So what we can do is, we can replace AB with EC and now AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR and AD upon PM. This was given to you. I was saying that EC and PQ, you are not going to take. Let's take the other side first. You will take similarly in quadrilateral PQNR. PQNR is also a parallelogram. And in parallelogram, PQ is equal to RN and PR is equal to QN. So we have 2 points there. So what we will do, and what in this triangle, in taking these two things, these 2 points, 1 and 2, what you are going to do, we are going to change this statement, what was given to you. It is AB upon PQ, it was given AC upon PR and AD upon PM. What we are going to do, we are going to replace AC with BE and PR with QN. Now you will have AB upon PQ, AC will be replaced by BE and PR PR will be replaced by QN. Now we have this AB and PQ. Then we have BE and QN. Then we have AD and PM. But we can make the double of it to get this triangle. What will you do? You multiply both of them with 2. Twice of AD and twice of PM. So according to construction, this is equal to AE upon PM. This is my third equation. AB upon PQ, BE upon QN and AE upon PN. So triangles are going to be similar. So you will write, therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQN. PQN. These two triangles are similar. So angle 1 and 2 are corresponding parts of similar triangles. So similarly, if I take the other side, this side now, this triangle also we can prove, this triangle and this triangle. Then angle, earlier we have done angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Now we will take angle 2 and angle 4. Similarly, on the other side. So what we will do? We will adding. We have angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. So angle A and angle P will be equal. So in triangle, two triangles we are talking about. Now we are supposed to take again ABC and PQR. What we have proved after doing all this, we have proved that this complete angle and this complete angle are equal. These two were already given. AB in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR. And just now we have proved angle A equal to angle P. So triangles are similar by side angle side similarity. Question number 16 now. A vertical pole 6 meters cast a shadow of 4 meters long. At the same time there is a shadow tower casting a shadow of 28 meters. You have to find height of the tower. So what you are going to do? You have to prove triangle DCE and triangle ABC similar. So these angles are 90 degree each. Angle E and angle B 90 degree each. And angle C is common in both. So triangles are similar. If triangles are similar, then sides will be proportional. This is by angle-angle similarity. So how sides will be proportional? You will be taking DE upon AB, DE upon AB equal to CE upon CB. This is CE, this is CB. One small triangle and one big triangle we are taking. So DE is 6, AB is H, CE is 4 and BC is 28. If I cross multiply, I'll get the answer. Answer is 42 centimeters. Now last question of the exercise. Question 16. AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC where triangle ABC is similar to PQR. This is given to you. It is given means AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR equal to BC upon QR. These two sides were given equal, and angle A with P, B with Q and C with R. Sides are proportional and angles are equal in case of similar triangles. So we have to prove that AB upon PQ equal to AD upon PM. Means we have to prove these two triangles similar. First, what is given to you? AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR, BC upon QR. If I make half of both, then we will have AB upon PQ, AC upon PR and BD upon DC. So for these two triangles, we need only this AB upon PQ and BD upon DC. And also we know that angle B and angle Q are equal. Which two triangles I am talking about? I am talking about ABD and triangle PQM. So triangles are similar by SAS similarity. Now what will you do? By SAS similarity, triangles are similar. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to, the third will be AD upon PM, because triangles are similar. So hence we have proved. Children, just see, it's written AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM. This is QM. I am writing it again. This is BD upon QM. So hence proved that AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM. Hence it is proved. So now you are going to complete this exercise till question number 16, and we are going to start next exercise in the next lecture. Thank you.